The time for a warm recipe is now. Today, we're preparing tender potato pancakes. We cut 2 medium-sized shallots into thin half rings. They have a milder taste compared to other onions. That's why we need them for this dish. We put a frying pan on the stove and pour a little vegetable oil into it. I usually use olive oil. When the oil warms up, pour in the onions. They'll quickly begin to acquire a golden hue. To prevent the onion from burning, stir it constantly. Take 6 slices of bacon, ham, or any other meat you like, and cut them into small strips. The pieces should not be too large. Just repeat after me, and I know you'll be successful. See, you did a great job. We send the meat to the fried onions in the preheated frying pan and mix it with a wooden spatula. I use this so I don't damage the surface of my pan. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The main ingredient of our dish, its base, is potatoes. We take 60 grams of peeled potatoes. This is about 3 or 4 medium potatoes. Grate them on a coarse grater. Be patient. The process may take some time, but believe me, it's worth it. All done? That wasn't so bad. We put away the grater. We won't be needing it any longer. We collect the potatoes in the palms of our hands and squeeze them out properly. There's no need for that extra moisture. You can use a cloth or gauze, but this isn't necessary. We transfer the pressed potatoes into a large container. We squeeze out what's left and send it to the rest of the potatoes. You have some strong hands. You did that easily. We return to the onions and bacon, and they're already perfectly fried. Mix well again, and you can remove them from the heat. Transfer directly to the potatoes. This mixture will be the basis of our pancakes. Add 1 egg to it. It will help combine all the ingredients so that they don't fall apart. Add salt and pepper. Be sure to use a lot of spices, otherwise it'll be bland. Now you can mix it. You can do this with your hands, a spoon, or a spatula. It's so easy, even a child could do it. By the way, involve your child in the cooking. It'll be more fun together. Again, put the pan on the stove, pour in the vegetable oil, and spread out the pancakes. They should not be too big or too small. We choose a golden medium. Help yourself with the spatula to form the desired shape. Leave on medium heat until brown and crispy. I think you can turn it over. Let's see what we got. Here we have a golden crust, so everything is going according to plan. Excellent. Flip to the other side and fry for a few more minutes. Now you know what we're striving for. While the pancakes are cooking, chop up some chives. This isn't necessary, but I recommend that everybody should always use some greens. After all, it's healthy and adds a little extra taste to a dish. Let's check on our potato pancakes. They're ready, so you can remove them from the heat and transfer to a plate. I'll share a secret. If you've overdone the butter, you can put the pancakes on a paper towel. It absorbs all the fat. Sprinkle the dish with herbs. Look at what tender pancakes we have. They literally crumble in your hands. If desired, add sour cream. You can't think of a better sauce for this dish. Enjoy!